The richest 1% of the world we live in today has 40% of the total wealth, and the top 80 richest individuals are worth half the world's population of about 3.5 billion people. When considering these figures, there is no doubt about the fact that there is a separation between the rich and the poor. While many believe that these wealthy individuals gained their wealth either from their family or by winning the lottery, this is simply not true. Out of the 80 richest individuals, only 11 of them got their fortune, while the other 69 made their wealth through their hard work and determination. And one of these 69 individuals is none other than investor mogul Mr. Warren Buffett. Like the majority of these wealthy individuals, Warren Buffett grew up in a very middle class family but found a way to gain the knowledge and skills that would eventually lead him to earn more than $70 billion in assets. Yes, you heard me correct. $70 billion in assets. Of course, we have all seen people living in excess and others living with the next few. But have you ever taken a second to wonder what truly separates the rich from the poor? In this video, we'll discuss 5 major points to differentiate between those who will earn billions of dollars in their lifetime and those who will struggle financially forever. Number 1. Money game. Rich play the money game to win. Poor mindset plays the money game not to lose. Poor people play the money game on defense rather than on offense. Let me ask you, if you were to play any sport or any game strictly on the defense mode, what are the chances of you winning that game? Very less, right? Yet, that's exactly how most people play the game of money. Their primary concern is just survival and security, not wealth and abundance. Rich people's big goal is to have massive wealth and abundance. Poor people's big goal is to have enough to pay the bills. On time would be a miracle. Again, let me remind you of the power of intention. When your objective is to have enough to pay the bills, that's exactly how much you will get. Just enough to pay the bills, and usually not even a single cent more. You get what you truly intend to get. Number 2. Commitment. Rich mindset are committed to being rich, while the poor mindset are uncommitted to being rich. Each of us has a file of wealth in our mind. This file contains our personal beliefs that include why being wealthy would be great. But for many people, their file also includes information as to why being rich might not be so great. These people have mixed internal messages around money and especially about wealth. These mixed messages are one of the biggest reasons that most people never become rich. In fact, the number one reason most people don't get what they want is they don't know what they want. Rich people are totally clear that they want wealth. They are unwavering in their desire. They are fully committed to creating wealth. They will do whatever it takes to have wealth as long as it's moral, legal, and ethical. Rich people do not send mixed messages to the universe like the poor people do. Number 3. Problem solving mindset. Rich mindset are bigger than their problems. Poor mindset are smaller than their problems. Getting rich is not a stroll in the park. It's a journey that is full of obstacles, twists, and detours. The simple fact is, success is very messy. The road is fraught with pitfalls, and that's why most people don't take this road. They don't want the problems. The secret to success is not to try to avoid or shrink your problems. It's to grow yourself so that you are bigger than any problem. It's just an everyday occurrence, like getting dressed or brushing out your teeth. Whether you are rich or poor, playing big or playing small, problems never go away. If you are breathing, you will always have so called problems. Rich people do not back away from problems. They do not avoid problems. and do not complain about these problems. Rich people are financial warriors, and when a warrior is confronted with a challenge, they shout, "Bring it on!" Number 4. Value of education. Rich mindset understand the value of education. Poor mindset are oblivious to the importance of constant learning or education. Rich mindset learn and upgrade their skills throughout their lives. Education remains a major determinant of lifetime income. Note that this doesn't mean you have to go to an expensive private college or earn an advanced degree. One difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich understand the value of knowledge. Rich people are not part of the 40% of adults who don't even open a book after graduating from high school. Rich people are constant learners. They are reading about money management and personal development so that they can do better in their life. Number 5. Saving, investing, and multiplying. Rich mindset believe in saving, investing, and multiplying. On the other hand, poor people or a poor mindset splurge on the materialistic things. Poor people end up saving nothing to invest. Rich mindset save, and just save. They save at least 10 to 20% of their net income every single year. The rich are intentional. They don't put off savings for the future. They start saving with every paycheck and they choose not to splurge so that they can make that next 15% contribution to their retirement. They don't say they'll pay off the debt later. They create a plan to pay down debt and follow it month after month until they are debt free. According to the Millionaire Next Door and Chris Hogan's follow up book, Everyday Millionaires, most millionaires by net worth either follow a budget or deliberately send a set percentage to their savings and live off with the rest. In short, the rich achieve that status not through their earnings but through their day to day habits, habits that all of us can try to emulate. If you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.